In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram video or so-called Reel on your phone. So first, open Instagram app and find video you would like to download. Click Share button and then click on Add to Story, but don't worry, we won't be posting it on your story. Now in this window, you need to increase video size to fit full screen. Then click on three dots in top right and save video. It might take a while. And now it's saved in your phone. Click back and discard story so it won't be posted. Then go to your phone gallery and Instagram video is there. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.